Before you go on to this part of the project, please make sure that you watch the PowerPoint that talks about line and pattern. You can see I've already gone on with the project some. I colored my leaves in the rest of the way, and I colored in the rest of the fish, even my poor little skinny one there. And the first thing that I did was I made a design on my leaves. And I would like you to do the same. The thing that I'd like you to think about when you do the design on the leaves, keep it simple and repeat it numerous times. So when I did this type of design on this leaf, I repeated that on all of the leaves that had the same shape. And then I did this leaf and I repeated that design on all those leaves. It kind of simplifies the main area of the picture. It doesn't get too busy. Then you go on to the background, and I've started a couple of patterns. You're going to have 8 sections to design. And when you do the background, every time you hit the line, starting a new section, you stop. And I would like you to be very precise in your drawing. For instance, I did polka dots here. That does not really count as polka dots. Really think about what you're doing and make it neat and precise. Remember, anything worth doing is worth doing well. So don't settle for mediocre. Do a nice job. The stripes, don't just lay them in precisely and be very neat about it. So I did polka dots here, I did stripes here. I am not going to take time to color each of these things, but you would complete each section. And please use your imagination. Come up with different ways to use lines and shapes to make interesting patterns. Please do not draw pictures in the background. Do not write words. Keep it to patterns using lines and shapes. That way it won't detract from your actual drawing. You will leave the table white, and you will leave the cylinder white. Everything in here will be left white. The only thing that I would like you to color is the bottom of the cylinder black, just to break up the space a little bit. So you would go in and finish coloring this black. So the bottom black, simple designs on the leaves, and then come up with interesting patterns of line and shape in each of the sections of the background. I'm going to go ahead and finish mine. You work on yours. And to see this finished, just look at the top of the direction page on the website and you'll see this one complete.